You think you've seen tools? Nah, you've seen toys. These are the 50 monster, genius, and straight-up alien inventions that make every other gadget in your shop feel like a butter knife. Buckle in, because once you see what's coming, you're not getting up from that chair. Tiny, but can cut, engrave, and etch like a full-size laser shop. Basically, it's a sci-fi weapon you can keep on your desk. Wrap it around a branch, pull, and watch it slice like butter. Fits in your pocket, chops like a beast. Drop a bolt somewhere unreachable? Just extend this bad boy and pull it out like a magic trick. When the drill can't fit, this sneaks in. Corners can't hide anymore. Looks like a pen, works like a welder. Perfect for small fixes without dragging out a full kit. All your Allen keys in one flip-out pack. No more losing the one you need most. Your tools and your chargers in one spot. Roll it over, plug it in, and get to work without hunting for an outlet. It's tiny but mighty for detailed paint jobs. This adorable champ gives you smooth, even coats without lugging around a full-size compressor. You can heat this bad boy up anywhere. No outlet drama. It's like holding a tiny lightsaber for wires. Just click and the job's done. Wood, fabric, cardboard, it's not picky at all. Slices through metal like it's warm bread. Not to forget the satisfying sound it makes. Snap it over a wire and get instant readings without breaking the circuit. It's quick, precise, and perfect for checking current on the fly. From custom gifts to pro-grade branding, this little laser turns everyday items into personalized masterpieces in minutes. Just set it down and watch it burn designs into wood, leather, or metal with pinpoint precision. Aim, blast, and watch stubborn paint or shrink wrap give up instantly. All that power packed into one tiny powerhouse. Wrap it, stick it, bend it anywhere. Bright light exactly where you need it. Say goodbye to elbow grease. Smooth, shiny finishes are just a trigger pull away. Squeeze the trigger and let it glide through fabric, paper, or leather like butter. No frayed edges, no hand cramps. Just clean, steady cuts. Small, sharp, and ridiculously cute, this little chainsaw means business. Perfect for quick trims without feeling like you're wielding a monster. Handy and fast, it seals freshness in seconds. Keeps your snacks safe without bulky machines. Sharp and steady, slices clean for crafts or fixes. Blades swap quickly, keeping your workflow sharp. Compact creativity. Carves, polishes, and sands with finesse. Swap bits and watch your projects come alive. Cordless and clean, it lays down perfect beads anywhere. Cool and clever. The infrared thermometer reads temps without contact. Great for grilling, engines, and quick checks.
Alright, check out this DeWalt table. Oh. Push that button. Push this handle down.
Foldable and firm. The workbench pops open to give you solid support. Packs away flat when the day is done. Light and artistic, the electric engraving pen etches with steady ease. Perfect for adding your personal touch anywhere. Sharp and steady. Electric chainsaw sharpeners bring teeth back to life. Keeps your saw biting through wood like new. Fast and cordless, nail guns shoot nails without messy hoses. Perfect for quick builds. Sneaky and clear. Inspection cameras crawl into tight spaces for visuals. Saves you from tearing things apart blindly. Smooth and strong. Electric planers shave wood flat and clean in seconds. Leaves flawless edges ready for finishing. Tough and thirsty. Wet, dry shop vacs suck up any mess without blinking. Quiet and light. Cordless hedge trimmers slice branches cleanly all day. No heavy lifting, just effortless yard work. Ready to upgrade your game? These gadgets aren't just cool, they're game changers waiting to be unleashed. So gear up, get creative, and let the magic happen. Your toolbox just got legendary.